are the winner.
First of all, thank you to the Crystal Cabin Award Association for providing such an important stage for this topic, because it raises awareness and attention for something we all need to be more aware of and focus on. We're ready to take on the challenge, and we'll bring it on every aircraft out there. Thank you very much. It feels amazing. I think we have done the right step in the right direction for such an important topic.
There's been an incredible amount of work from the whole team. And the crazy stuff is, I think we've worked on every single second of that presentation till midnight and further on. It was great.